Today I wanted to talk about giving up. What is the extent of effort and time that you're willing to or should be willing to put into doing something for your car? In maintenance and repairs, the frustration is real. It can be overwhelming at times. I'm sure most of people performing these tasks have encountered such moments often. My recent one was trying to replace the front lower control arm, which was supposed to be an hour job tops. Basically, you need to remove 4 bolts and 1 nut, remove the lower control arm and install a new one. That's it. I thought the biggest challenge would be removing 3 or 4 bolts. Those are huge, so I expected them to be stuck and hard to remove. However, it turned out that removing the ball joint pin from the knuckle was the most challenging part. After 2 days of continuous countless attempts and options, lots of penetrating oil, lots of whacking, and even using a proper ball joint separator, I failed. Then I decided to remove the control arm bolts in an attempt to wiggle the ball joint pin out after. However, doing that stretched the left driveshaft inward joint boot so much, it popped off, leaking lubrication. One of the rollers even popped off the spider. So I had to reinstall the rollers and move it back in, closing the boot and securing it again. This was extremely frustrating and discouraging that such a simple procedure ended up in such a disaster. Finally, I had to give up and put everything back together. The car is fine now, and I'm going to attempt the replacement again using a pickle fork and a sledgehammer this time. But I'm pretty sure if I didn't have the YouTube channel and did not film for it, perhaps that would be the point for me to give up and get it done at the shop. Anyway, I just wanted to share my experience and see if it resonates with yours maybe. What are your thoughts about it? Please share in the comments down below. See you next time!